Warning, the following video contains Caillou going on rampages and longest sound effects videos made by Caillou. Viewer discretion as advised.
Hey guy, you wanna watch?
Caillou.
Shoot it down!
You just beat the new high school. What is this?
Caillou.
Hey, guess what?
I'm Caillou.
I hate you.
Meanwhile, right now, breaking news on Channel 13 News. The sound effects videos are completely badly made by Caillou, and they're awfully bad. Oh my gosh. Caillou is going to pay for this. And also, Caillou is going on rampages. Everyone lock your doors, so Caillou won't get in.
Alright, Judy Hopps. He can be located at the National History Museum. Let's head there right now.
Great. I'll call Nick Wall to help me on the case.
Alright, let's head there right now.
In the National History Museum.
Alright, there could be Freddy around here. The one from Five Nights at Freddy's. Or maybe not.
I'm scared. I hope I don't get killed by Kalo.
Me too.
What is that laughing sound?
It might be Kalo.
Oh geez, I'm very scared now. Run for it! Quick, hide in here. Well, I think we should be safe here now.
Ha 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 ha.
My revenge is complete! Caillou! That stupid bald kid! And he has a gun.
So, let me ask you a question. Are you afraid of me? No. Do you think I might go nuts? No. You think I might go savage? No. You think I might try to eat you? No! No!
Oh, Nick.
Oh, darn it, Caillou. You killed Nick. You're going to pay for this.
Aha! Like I care! And you can't stop me. No one can stop me.
And there is no one to save you this time.
Hey, Jafar! Shut up!
Oh no, my bird is shot. Birdie, please talk to me.
Caillou's an idiot!
Oh no, my bird is dead.
That's right! I shot it! It's because he called me a name!
What are you going to do? Kill me?
Yes.
Flip fire head!
Caillou, you idiot, bald kid. You killed Judy Hopps. She was my best friend.
Well, she said she wants me to kill her. So I did.
Oh, well in that case, I also have my own weapons too.
Oh yeah, well, I never die.
Of course you will, Caillou. In fact,
I hope you die.
now I'm going to kill you.